to show what input it is and what is the result. Yeah.
So,
All right. So if you really want things to be even prettier, I'm recording now. But okay. So we'll come back. This is the result. How do I hide this? Minimize, turn off, turn hiding on. Come on, get out, get out. How do I get rid of this? Doc preferences. Come on. Oh no, how, does anyone know how to get rid of this doc?
preferences, man. Set some preferences.
Doc preferences, turn it off. Magnification, no.
Minimize. Should be automatically hiding your doc.
Where?
Right there. The one unchecked box. No, one down. Automatically hiding your doc.
Oh, sweet. All right, guys, are we ready? So I could even do maybe I would change this a little bit. You don't. So basically, I have this text, right? So this is just Ruby. I put that into a string called input. Don't need to understand this text. I'm just trying to print out the result for you. I will do this in, let's say, 20 string here, and maybe this is that. Don't need to understand. It's okay. This part you don't have to understand. I'm just updating the code so you guys can see the result. Just pretending that I know how to write this code. Let's see what happens. Maybe let's print this out like this. So it looked like that to the left. So maybe this and okay. So some lines are bigger. So maybe make it to 30. The screen's too small. All right, almost. Except some of these lines are just too big. Yeah. So let's take a look at the result on the right here. Okay, almost pretty. 60. No, 55. All right, so now you can do this at home, right? What happens? True and true. Very clear, very easy. True and false. Very easy. Any question there? One thing that we need to do is this. We know that the equals here is stronger than the n. Okay? So it works. So this is, what is the thing on the left? True. The thing on the right? False. That's why you get false. You get, this one is obvious, right? This is very hard, no? When you're not sure, put, what happens? You put the parentheses around these guys, right? And put the parentheses here. Okay? So I'm gonna maybe change my mind and write up here. And we change it back to the normal way. Just, okay. Next. So this one, you can do this the same thing. We know when we're not sure, just put parentheses where you think it is. This one, same deal. Oh no, what is this thing? Does anyone know?
Not equal.
Not equal. So on the right hand side, is it true or false?
True.
Excellent. So here, oh my God, what does it mean? So you also know it's this, right? Yeah, because this is, the equal is stronger. Okay? Now what happens if I write this? Do you know what happens? I'm going to try for you, okay? This means true and this, it will return true or false. That one is a bit difficult. Okay. True and something returns true.
True.
And then true equals 1.
True.
False. And then
Wait a minute.
okay, so this is Ruby and this is a bit crazy. So you don't have to worry about this one. What happens here? True and 1, it will return 1. Because 1 is also true, but don't worry about it, okay? We only learn true or false. So you will learn this one later. Basically, true and 1 returns 1, okay? But don't worry about that. Right now, you only learn between true and false. This return false. Okay? So true and something, I'm sorry, just now I said it wrong. True and something returns that something. Because Ruby will look at this, say, true, okay, and something. I'm like, oh, I return that guy. Right? Okay?
True and a hash, we return a hash.
Yeah, we always return the last one. But this is just Ruby. This one is a little difficult. Don't worry about it. We're not learning that today. What we learn today is, you understand this one, right? Yeah, so that is, the equal is still stronger, okay? Same thing, not equal is stronger. So did we have this right? True or false? False. This one? Again, the thing is that equal is stronger. Equal is stronger than ampersand, this one, and. Okay? This ampersand is stronger than or. Don't worry, when you use the statement, you normally only need to use one, right? Like, remember, you only need to use the if number is less than 10, number greater than 0, right? Something like that. Okay, does anyone have question about some of the other ones? This one clear? Do you have a difficult one? Give me a number. Do you have a difficult one in that? In your exercise? Do you have in your exercise on the paper? What exercise is difficult? That we all. All right, let's finish this one. True and false returns false. Therefore, this returns true. Okay. CS101 returns
True.
true. This is true, so the number 15 is, wait, inside here is true. But because you have this outside, so number 15 it is false. Same thing, remember the not, but inside here, true or false? False or true, so inside is false or true. Inside is
True.
right. When you have or, only one thing needs to be true. This returns true. So inside this one is true. So number 16 is false. Great job. So, this is 17 now. So we can go on here, right? This is also clear. Loy is cool guy. Is it true or false? False. Why is it false? Hey, wait. It's not false, okay? This is, wait, see, what happens here? Look. It is false here, right? But it's true here, right? And then the whole thing inside is false because there's an and false. But then outside is not. So this line 18 is true. Right? So yeah, Lo is cool guy. Alright. So this one is outside. Clear? This whole thing clear? You guys can go home and try it again. This is true or false? False. Great. This is true or false? False. A string cannot be a number. So it's false. False or false? So inside this one, is it true or false? False. False or false? It's still false, right? Nothing is true. But outside, it's true. Then number 19 here, which is line 18, is true. Okay? So I think we all finish here. This is good, right? Let's try the last one. Let's try to explain. Let me delete something at the top here. Okay, then I can say line 20, okay, 20 over here. Ruby is fun, so for example, you can put the parentheses here if you're not sure, but there are too many parentheses, right? Ruby is fun, true or false?
False.
Huh?
False.
Ruby is fun is true, but Ruby equals fun is false. Yeah? Alright, this is false. Testing is testing, is it true or false?
True.
It's obvious. Alright, so true or false? Is it true or false?
True.
True or false? When you have true, when you or, only one need to be true. Okay? So inside, so true or false, it becomes true. So outside, false. So, but then you have true and false, so it becomes false. What about this? Alright, someone tell me, okay? Are you ready? Let's see who's the fastest, okay? So, 1 is 2 and, test equals test 1 and 1 not equals 2 or 3, 23 is not equal 32. True or false?
False.
False.
Ha, so fast. Why so fast?
1.
Because this is false equals blah. I don't care.
Yeah.
So this is called shortcut. Yeah? In English it's called short circuit. Đoạn mạch. Right? But it's take a shortcut. Yeah? So same thing here. If I say true is true or 1 not 1, and then something else maybe, or test equals test. Alright, true or false?
True.
True, why? So basically this is true or something else, I don't care. All of this, I don't care. Alright, so now we know that, we can write that function. Def is digit, remember? Number? How can we write this is digit function? Method. Let's use OR. If number less than 0 or number greater than 9, then you return, is it a digit or not? Is it a digit or not? If the number is less than 0. Huh?
It's false.
Oh, so you want this to be false and then you want this to be true. So can we run it? We say is digit 100. Let's look at the last line, okay? False. Is digit 10. Is it false or true? Also false. But is it digit 9? False or true? True. Let's say is digit -1. True or false? False. Now, what about I have another function called is digit smart. Okay? Same thing. Let's make it shorter. Who can make it shorter for me? Remember this question mark and this thing? Okay, we don't have to use that yet, but if you want, you can say number greater or 0 number greater than 9, question mark, and then what? False, and then true, right? Is it easier to write now? But can we write, can we be smarter? That is digit very smart. Okay? Huh? Number less than 0 or number greater than 9. What happens? Is it true or false? Is it good or not? Is it good or not?
It's good.
Who nods your head? Who think this is correct? Raise your hand. Come on, you have to learn. You have to raise your hand. Alright, so raise your hand, open your arm like this if you think this is correct. Close your arm like this if you think it's not correct. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Hey, come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3, raise your hand, okay?
If not correct, not correct.
If you agree with is digit very smart, okay? Open your hands. If you don't agree, yeah.
It's the same as this one.
Yeah, same math. Is digit, okay? Is digit. Alright? 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, you have to raise your hand, okay? Don't pretend you don't understand English. 1, 2, 3, raise your hand. If you're not sure, just do this. If you think is digit very smart, it's good, open your hands like this. If you think it's not good, close your hand. Alright? 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. Only learn open your arms. Alright, let's test this. So we just run this, right? Okay, I say is digit very smart. Alright. If I pass in 9, to return true or false? True. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. If I return 10, true. So this function is wrong. Why is it wrong? Why? Because what? Because this returns false. If the number is a digit. It's not a digit. Oh my god, it's hard to understand, right? If I put this over here, what do you think? If I put this not over here, then when I run this, is digit very smart now? It's correct. True. Do we know why? If I put a not here, you see up here? False is first. So if a number is a digit, this will return false. So for this method, line 58, you have to put a not in front of it. Okay? But this is very confusing, right? Let's try another method. Is digit, but this time, cool. Okay? I am smarter than this. I will say number greater than 0 and number less than 10. Oh, so easy to see. So easy to remember. Right? So I think this method here, 57, should be called very confusing. It's not very smart. Because you have compare inside and then you have the not outside. So when you bring the not inside, this less than becomes greater than. But here, how do you check if a number is multiple? You do this, right? Line 62. Everyone can learn this. Will anyone write code this way? No, maybe some math people. Right? Okay. So that finished our operators. You will get some more exercises. Don't worry. There's no need to learn the whole of that. All right. Let's all get your repo out. I will paste a link. Can you all go into? I will save this. Let's start another repo. Can you open your computer? Everyone, start your repo, please. Go here. My repo. Create a new one, please. Go, go, go. Chị Hồng. Computer.
You can use my computer.
Computer. Computer. All right. Can you go there? Repo.it and choose it. Is that okay, or do you want me to send you guys a link somewhere? Where should I send you? Maybe you can go here, okay? Lloyd, can you help everyone get the repo?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's all go here so we can do it together.
Yeah.
Let's do something really fun now. Okay, if it goes a little fast, it will be in the videos you can watch afterwards. Okay?